What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having a great day, a great night, whatever time it is that you're watching this video. So as you guys can see over here, we have two boxes. Unfortunately they're not for this car, but they're for this car. I feel like I've been doing a lot to this car lately. I haven't even touched this car, so I have to get a whole nother turbo kit for this one, big brake kit. I have a lot of plans for this car, but I've low-key been giving a lot of my attention and a lot of my money towards this car lately. And honestly, you guys really like the videos, you guys really like the content out of this car, so I thought why not do more stuff to it. And I bought these two little parts, and I actually am waiting for a third piece that's supposed to come in tomorrow. I was gonna wait for that piece to come to show it to you guys all at once, but I'm low-key super impatient, so I'm gonna open these, and then once the one that's coming tomorrow gets here, I'll open that one and then we'll install all three together. But for starters, go ahead and open the bigger box. What do you guys think this is before I open it? Any guesses? Sheesh. Carbon fiber diffuser. Very nice, very nice. It actually got here a lot sooner than I expected. It was supposed to get here tomorrow and it got here yesterday. I just didn't have time to open it yesterday, but damn, finally a diffuser, guys. I've been wanting one of these forever. Carbon fiber. This is gonna look super good on the Q. I was gonna get the one with the third brake light, but honestly, call me lazy, but I don't want to go through the hassle of wiring that stupid tail light, which is probably not even hard, but I was like, I'll go for a more sleek look, no third tail light, and yeah, it looks pretty good. So for those of you guys that have been watching my videos, you guys know if I got a diffuser, you guys have to know what's in that box, especially with the length of it. Let's go ahead and open that one. Sheesh. Carbon fiber side skirts. Pretty sure you guys guessed that. Like I said, it's kind of obvious with this super long. Okay. With this super long box or whatever. I don't have the patience. Sheesh. Looks pretty freaking good. Okay. Sorry for the mess, but the Q is finally getting the love it deserves. So like I said, I am waiting on another part, another carbon fiber part that should be getting here tomorrow. And plus, it's already kind of dark out, so I'd rather install it tomorrow.
The next day.
Alright guys, it is now the next day. We are currently headed to buy a jack. The reason being is because my jack is kind of messed up now. So it's time for a new one, and we're gonna go buy one. So it's funny, yesterday I said I wasn't gonna install the stuff because it was kind of too late and I'm missing the other piece. Well, I still don't have that piece and it's already kind of late, so it's kind of the same thing as yesterday, but the third piece should be arriving soon, I hope. So it says it's gonna arrive before 10 p.m. but I hope it arrives like way before 10 p.m. I don't want to install this thing super late at night either. But anyways, we are headed to the store to go get this jack, and we'll get to installing the diffuser and the side skirts. Alright guys, just like Harbor Freight, got this 3-ton low profile jack. Sheesh. Perfect. So now we're back home. Time to unbox this thing. Alright guys, got my boy Eric. He just pulled up. I was like, I could use a second pair of hands. He pulled up for me, so thank you for that. And let's get this show on the road. Damn, that's crazy, guys. Eric literally just pointed something out. Our installs never go this good, this fast. We literally took like 2 minutes installing this. which isn't like a hard thing to install, but what I'm trying to say is something always goes wrong, and this time we did it on the first try. Pretty fast. Now moving on to the side skirts. I'm so sorry for the mess, by the way, guys. I have so much mess. I have the jack, the boxes. I'm sorry. See how they look? A little test fit, something like that. All right, side skirt is on. Okay. This is exactly why I didn't want to install at night, because you could barely see it, but it looks pretty good. I'll go to the gas station right now so I can get like a little walk around, but the diffuser and the side skirts are on. Just missing the other side skirt and another part that supposedly should be getting here like within the next couple of minutes, according to Amazon. This side is done. Shout out to my boy Eric for finishing this side up. Meanwhile, I want to change for the gym. See how this looks. Damn, shit. Like I said, it does kind of suck because you can't see it. We're gonna stop at a gas station right now so you guys can see better lighting. But looks pretty good. Gives the car a way better look. I feel like it's more complete now. Damn, guys, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it looks pretty good, bro. Way better than before. Way better. Alright, we made it to the gas station. Now you guys can see this in better lighting. Damn, this thing looks so much better, bro. So much better. It's the little things, bro, that make the biggest difference. So the diffuser, side skirts, front lip, the whole little aero kit or whatever is done. Looks really good. I'm just missing one more carbon fiber piece that should have got here supposedly today before 10. It is currently 9:25 and it hasn't even been like shipped out or whatever yet, so obviously it's not going to get there today. Hopefully it gets here at least tomorrow morning so I can put them on and I can show you guys before I post this video. But damn, looks pretty damn good, I'm not gonna lie.
The next day.
Alright guys, there's now the next day. We got the other package. I was looking kind of bummed out last night because my phone, it had said that it was gonna arrive until March 7th and today's I think March 5th. So I was bummed out. I was like, damn, I'm gonna have to finish the video and not show you guys this, but thankfully it came in today in the morning. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what it is. I'm using the Z as the table right now, but maybe you guys might have guessed it. Carbon fiber mirror caps. Okay. Actually, I have no idea how this thing goes. The fuck? Wait, do I have to take off this? Okay, so I'm guessing that's what this is for. Wow, I thought it was like an overlay. I thought we were just gonna like tape it on there or something. But damn, it looks like we're gonna have to take this off. Shouldn't be too hard though. So after watching a few videos, it looks like I'm gonna need a heat gun. And I actually do have a heat gun, but it's at my boy Chris's house, and I'm not sure if he's home. So let's see if he's home, so I can go pick this up and get this over with. Because it seems like a very simple install, just that I guess without the heat gun, you kind of risk breaking the tabs or whatever. So I'd rather be safe than sorry. All right, guys, so change of plans a little bit. Came to Walmart. I'm gonna buy some oil. Gonna actually do the oil change on the Q. It's been needing it. And after this, we are going to go to Harbor Freight to buy another heat gun because Chris is not replying for some reason. And I ain't trying to wait another day. I really want to install this today and just get it over with. So this is the oil that I do use on the Q, Mobile 1, full synthetic, 5W30. I'm going to grab the high mileage one this time. It has more than 75,000 miles now, so I guess it don't hurt. I'm going to grab this one, another small one. We'll be out of here. Alright guys, package secured. I'm going to go get this heat gun. Made it to Harbor Freight and parked next to this Q50. Sheesh. Literally just like mine, just stock. I need those mud guards or mud flaps, whatever you want to call them. You want to send them to me, sir? So yesterday when I bought the jack, I don't know if I told you guys or if I showed you guys, but I signed up for this like member thing, and I got this thing for 10 bucks. Not bad. Shout out to Crystal for being asleep and not giving me my freaking heat gun, so I had to buy another one. Current situation, I'm gonna change the oil on the Q really quick. Meanwhile, this beauty is outside. Well, this car is so clean. Not just because it's mine, but sometimes I don't even believe that this car is mine. That fitment though. Okay, see you. I need to stop lagging and just give this car more attention. Do the big brake kit. do the other turbo kit, turn up the power even more. And this thing's gonna be a rocket. Let's see how good this $10 little heat gun works. Honestly, for 10 bucks, it looks pretty good. So in the video I watched, it pretty much says to heat up the little plastic piece or whatever, and that way the clips won't break. With that being said, we're just gonna warm it up and then just pry it open pretty much. Alright guys, so the oil change is done, and after about 10 minutes of playing with this, I ended up taking this off. Let's go. And I actually don't think I broke any tabs. Yes sir. Alright guys, it is on. Ended up just pretty much tapping it in, just lining it up, pushing it in pretty good. You hear it crack, and oh, there it goes. It's not fully in. There it is. Now it's fully in. Yeah, you just gotta hear it crack. Just go around it, push it in, and it's in. Damn, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it looks a lot better than stock, I'll tell you that much. So here's this one, and then there's boring gold stock. It almost looks weird now that I'm looking at it. The stock one looks weird. This one looks pretty sick. I think this is the M style wing, so I know some of you guys are probably gonna clown. You don't want to be Beamer. I think it looks pretty sick though. Alright, let's go ahead and move on to this side. So a little run through on what I did. So pretty much what I'm doing, the first step is to heat it up. Just so the plastic gets warm. Give it to stretch a little bit and it won't break the tab. After this, all I did was pretty much use this pry tool. Where's it at? Use this pry tool. You pry it like from right here. Once it like pops a little bit, you just pretty much go around the whole thing. It'll pop off. I would record this, but unfortunately I am by myself. I don't have anybody to record me. Otherwise I will show you guys exactly step by step. But heat it up, just pry it out. It's kind of self-explanatory. And then push the other one in. So for this one I did get a little impatient. I think I did break a tab. Yep, I broke a tab. 2 actually. But I mean, I don't think I'm ever gonna put these back on. But if I do, I'll just figure it out, or I'll just buy another one. But I don't think I'm ever gonna put these on again, if I'm being honest. Anyways, those are both off. Now let's just smack this one on, and we're done. I'm gonna try to show you guys how I did it. So right there, it's kind of lined up. I went down here. I just started pushing it in, to be honest. Well, this one went in a lot easier than the other one, bro. A lot easier. That was it. I lined it up perfectly in the first try. Yeah, it's in. Just gonna go over it one more time. Press it in. And just like that, bro. Just like that, Q got carbon mirror caps. It looks pretty good, dude. I'm not gonna lie. It looks a lot better than stock. Like I was telling the homie Eric yesterday, once I added these, we added these side skirts in the diffuser. I feel like it just gave the car a nice, very nice touch. So now it has a full lip kit, I guess you could say. It has the front lip, the side skirts. This isn't part of the lip kit, but it has this. Has a diffuser. Man, obviously the wing. So I mean, it looks pretty good. Besides this, pretty much what I just did. All I have really planned for the car on the exterior is maybe a chrome delete. The only reason I haven't done this because I mean the wheels are chrome, so it doesn't look too horrible. Maybe some coilovers instead of these springs. Take off these springs and swap them with some coilovers. Maybe wrap the car. Not too sure. I really like the gray, so I'm not too sure about wrapping it. Some tint. That's pretty much it for the exterior. I mean, I'm pretty happy. It's a daily at the end of the day. It's not a show car. It's not my main build. My main build is that one. That's the car that I dumped the money in. This, I mean, yeah, I guess I do too, but that's the main build. This is the daily. All I wanted for the daily was something that was comfortable, something that looks good, reliable, sounds good, is decently quick, I guess. And so far, I think we're achieving that pretty good. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much the new parts for the Q. I am gonna go to the gas station again because it's dark outside to show you guys this in better lighting, and I'll probably end the video tomorrow in the morning before I post this, just to show you guys the car in the sunlight. And yeah, alright guys, just at the gym, and that was bumping. So I'm actually gonna have my girl drive my car and I'm gonna drive hers, so I can just see it rolling and actually get some rolling shots for you guys for the video as well. looks pretty good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. These three simple little things made a big difference in the car. I'm not gonna lie, guys, this thing looks really good rolling. I'm not sure if the camera does it justice, but this thing looks really good. I'm telling you guys, those three minor mods really made a big difference in this car. It looks, how can I say, it looks more modified, if that makes sense. It looks really good. So for 3 mods, I didn't break the bank and made the car this much better appearance wise, like what do you call it, aesthetic wise or whatever. I definitely recommend. Whole lip kit or whatever, the little side, the mirror covers or whatever. Yeah, it really makes the car look a lot better. Q50 is finally coming along, guys. Got this fixed, got the starlights, got the whole lip kit like I just said, got this thing. Next on my list, fix this stupid header leak that I have, and then probably get like all around oil tint or something. Let's launch it really quick for the vlog. See how bad this thing spins. So yeah, guys, this is how the Q is looking. Not too shabby for a daily. Not too shabby. I really like those mirrors, bro. I feel like I gave it a nice little touch. What do you guys think? Would you guys daily this? I'm honestly very, very happy with the car now. Like I said, for a daily, it ain't too shabby. Now let's go home. I'm gonna pick up the camera tomorrow just to record it once again for you guys in the sunlight, so you guys see how it looks like in the sunlight. And yeah, let's go ahead and go home, get some sleep because I'm super tired. But yeah, catch you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
Well, so much for sunlight, right? It's raining outside, but I'm still gonna take the car out just to show you guys a little walk around of the car, and for me to also see it because I haven't seen it besides at night. So okay, this thing is looking really good, guys. Like I said, I don't know how many times in this video, I feel like these 3 mods did go so well with this car. I feel like it finishes the look perfectly. I also do want to get these like little, I forgot what they're called. I don't know if they're like splats or something like that. It's like a little carbon fiber piece that comes on the side. I think I'm gonna order that too. But other than that, I think this car is pretty good how it sits. I mean, I didn't want nothing too crazy going on with this car because it is a daily. I do want to be able to drive it everywhere and anywhere without having to really worry about it. But what do you guys think? How's she looking? I think it looks fire, bro. But with that being said, I am going to go inside and finish editing this video so I can post it right now for you guys. If you guys enjoy this video and hopefully you liked all the parts that I just added to the queue, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be alerted whenever I post. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.